Okay, let's together set up the shortcuts for saving URL into Airtables. We have already opened the shortcut link, so now we just need to click Get Shortcuts. It will redirect us to the Shortcuts app, and here we click Add Shortcut. Initially, it will prompt us that by default, these shortcuts will save data to the public demo basis, so you can play with it before actual usage. So by now, we just click Add Shortcut. We can see that this shortcut has been successfully added into the libraries. To use it, we can either tap on it to paste the URL here, or another way to use it is that go to your favorite app and use the share menu to send the URL into these shortcuts, just like we do in the demo video where we open the podcast app and we send the podcast URL to these shortcuts, and the shortcuts will directly read the URL and the URL title and save it into the Airtable. So let's do a quick example here. It will ask for the table that we want where this URL to be saved into. Here we choose the articles, so that the URL will be sent to article table in our sample base. Now we open the public sample base, we can see that a new record with the URL and the URL title has been successfully added into the tables. Now let's modify the shortcuts for actual usage. All the parameters that we need to modify was in these dictionaries. The first thing we need to modify is the access tokens, where we need to remove the existing access token and replace it with your own. So if you have these tokens in your existing shortcuts, you can copy them and paste it here. But if you don't have it, you need to visit this link, https://airtable.com/create/tokens to create one. And I have opened this link, so let's together create a new tokens. So we just need to click the Create New Token buttons. First thing, we need to make a name for this token. We can name it Personal. For scope, we choose Data Records Read, Data Records Write, and Schema Basis Read. For the access options, here we will choose All Current and Future Bases in all current and future workspaces. And after that, we click Create Token. Okay, now our token has been created. So please, one important notice is that please never share this token with anyone else, because people who got this token will be able to access your Airtable data. So never share it with anyone. Here we copy the generated tokens. And for the next three fields, base name, field for page title, field for page URL, we can log into the sample base. We have just added a new record into this base, and where the base name is sample, and the field for the web page title is the name, and the field for the URL is the notes. So if you so you can just change your parameters to suit your table name and field names. And once done, you can close the shortcuts and start to use your shortcuts.